I worship every bird that I see, and wildness is a wayward weed, but it's also worthy of adoration.
I have photosynthesis envy. The ability to take these non-living elements of the world, air and light and water, and turn them into food, to turn them into medicine for people and for trees and for soil. And we cannot even approach the kind of creativity that they have.
Well, the ocean is really huge. You're clinging to a cork. And out there, rolling around and swimming through and perfectly at home in the waves are these enormous animals. And by golly, they're singing. Of all things, they're doing something that we recognize as singing. What lies ahead to be discovered is absolutely limitless. We are not at the pinnacle of human knowledge. We are just beginning.
Look at the gift of being now. Look at the astonishing responsibility of legacy leaving, and what will our time leave? That for me is the big Anthropocene question, and it's, are we being good ancestors?